I'm so happy with my choice to choose the University of Exeter. Looking back, I remember thinking that I would love to be in perhaps a big city, but Exeter has been wonderful in helping me stay focused on my degree, helping me meet a lot of students. It's a major student town, and having others around that are my age and going through the same process is really helpful. You never really feel lonely in this city.
I'm absolutely happy I chose to study here at Exeter in the UK. Best choice I could have made. It's just a great school, and it's just developing and blossoming every single year. Every year I've come, it's been expanding and bigger and more students, and it's just, the energy is great here.
It's just a great experience to come to the UK. Exeter has a beautiful campus. It's a beautiful, vibrant city. It's not too large where you feel overwhelmed by the number of people, and it's just a perfect university.
So I chose to study law at the University of Exeter because, well, for one, the school's reputation and their prestige. They've recently joined the Russell Group, which is a top school in the UK, right as I actually arrived here. So that's a big reason why I wanted to study law here. Another reason why I wanted to study law at this University of Exeter was because of their outstanding, I guess, administration, their academic support. I've heard basically through Canada Law from Abroad that was one thing Exeter excelled at, was their just academic support. So they also offered a great wide variety of law courses, which I was interested in. So basically at my Canada Law from Abroad meeting, they outlined all the courses that Exeter offers specifically in their law program, and I found a lot of them suited my needs, so that's why I wanted to study law here.
I'm very grateful to the University of Exeter for the opportunities it's created for me today. I took the big step thinking, I want to get this law degree, but I want to also qualify as a lawyer in the UK, and it can be very competitive. But today I can gladly say that I've gotten into law firms been offered graduate jobs at law firms where I had less than a 1% chance of securing a position.
The quality of teaching at the University of Exeter goes above and beyond what I was expecting. The professors and all the other workshop leaders and everyone else involved with the staff are there to assist you and aid you, and they're always able to provide feedback. They just want to see you succeed, and that's really reassuring.
Professors are helpful, they teach very well, and they understand that you're not going to be great from day one. I had incidents where I had a formative essay or a practice exam and they didn't go well, but those practices I then would take to a professor and they would show me, this is what you need to do better next time. And today I've gotten great grades and I'm really happy, and I wouldn't have done that without the great support of this academic team here.
I would absolutely refer other students to use Canada Law from Abroad, and in fact I have recommended other students to use them, Canada Law from Abroad services, just because Canada Law from Abroad was very, very hands-on, very personal, with helping me select which school I should pick, and I feel that every student deserves that same experience, and Canada Law from Abroad definitely satisfies you, and they wanted me to have the best experience I possibly could, and that's why I would recommend them.
I'm John Kelly, President of Canada Law from Abroad. I look relaxed like this because I'm thinking and talking about Exeter. Now, first of all, Exeter is an elite Russell Group school. Law school is a great, great law school. However, Exeter, in addition to that, is basically located in one of the, quite frankly, England is very gorgeous, but it's located in this absolutely pristine area of the UK towards the south. It's kind of the sports recreation center. If you're interested in things like rowing or hiking or any of these things, couldn't be a better place than Exeter. The campus is basically a milestone campus, all built around a series of our atriums, so those things are terrific. The city is one of the cities that was bombed out in the UK, but has been restored, and really it's very much a city that everybody who is in Exeter says, gosh, I love the fact that I'm here, and I basically almost wish that I could stay here in some respects. So in any event, those are some of the things about Exeter. And again, you're certainly going to law school there. I certainly want to encourage you to look at Exeter as an excellent law school with a great, very progressive faculty. It has areas that it focuses on. For example, it has a great international human rights program that's affiliated with the UN. It has basically offers these dual degrees that you can get both an LLB and a JD degree by going to France for a year as well, and come back and eventually get qualified to practice both in the province of Quebec and all the common law provinces of Canada. I can go on in some degree more about all the things Exeter has, but I think I've said enough. And really, if you're looking for an alternative to, for example, to sort of like being in an urban center and like really like the idea of being in an idyllic, not country setting, but certainly pristine sort of classic English pastoral setting, then there could be no better place for it to look at than Exeter.